Rudolph the red-nosed courier had a very shiny van, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it flies. All of the other drivers used to wait and let them through. They always let Flying Rudy have warm welcomes at the door. Then one busy Christmas Eve, Santa comes to say, Rudolph, with your car so fast, won't you take Amazon Prime tonight? After the last delivery, presents all right on time, all children jolly happy. Very Rudy said, now all is fine. Late this busy Christmas Eve, Santa said to say, relax and enjoy the silent night, 'cause Monday is returns collection day.